Hey guys, welcome back to Cop Tool. I'm Rob. We're here at SEMA 2019. I just met Paul here at the Gearwrench booth. Paul, you guys have what looks like a really, really simple solution that I'm wondering why I've never had before. This mat, it's holding everything that you could possibly want to use, and you just showed me how sturdy it is. What is this thing, and how on earth did you come up with it?
All right, so in talking to our users, and we go out in the field and do this a lot, I found a guy that was using egg crate foam, and he's been doing it for 20 years since he was in the military, and it worked good for him. So I said, you know what, we can improve on that and give it a more uniform look and allow the tools to set at different angles, even on a diagonal, and it traps the tools very well. It's an inexpensive solution to all the other costly systems out there. I can change the assortment anytime I want, move it around, but I still have...
I would guess you can pretty much throw your tools on this and they're going to find a home.
Basically, yeah, you throw the tools on, finds a home. It can be cut down. It comes in 22 by 16.
Okay.
But you can cut them down to fit in any drawer. You can do an entire toolbox for a fraction of the cost of what it would cost to buy all the different racks and assortments and other things that are out there.
So you buy these in sheets of 4. How much is a sheet of 4?
Or set of 4 bucks.
Oh, you're kidding.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, he's right. Oh, yeah, this is great. We need these for every single drawer in our Gearwrench cabinets,
Yeah.
for sure.
Okay.
Awesome. Well, Paul, this is great. Thank you so much for showing it
problem.
to us. Guys, we have a bunch more things. Actually, Paul is going to take me around and show me a couple more things here in the Gearwrench booth, so don't go anywhere.